Hey, how do I look up to see if my engine is non-interference or interference? I watched one of your older videos and still don't know if my Dodge Ram 50 1987 2.0 is non-interference or interference. Can you please help me? Coming across this information can be tricky at times. I found the best way that I've found so far is to look up your engine, probably the year. Sometimes they change if it's interference or not based on different factors, and probably the model as well, but mostly the engine, the word interference, and type in the word forum as well. That'll bring you to forum posts. And I know forums tend not to be the final word on this, but people naturally want to be like, hey, where'd you get that information from? How'd you find that out? And fact checking kind of naturally happens. That along with, hey, use a search function every single thread. Every thread I come across on the internet is like, hey, use the search function. It's already been talked about before. And now there's this high-ranking thread, like first page of Google, where someone's saying, hey, use the search function on this forum. To anyone who does that, just post the information. If you have the information, post it. If you can find it in the search function, grab it and put it there. Now the search function is twice as useful. If that thread never gets the answer and just has a post, use the search function, and someone finds it and never follows back up on it, then the search function has been made less useful because there's more filler in there that doesn't provide the answer. I'm getting off track though. Next question.